Welcome back to NextGen ICT. This is HTML Day 7, and today we're going to learn about HTML links. Links are what connect web pages together. Without links, the web would not exist as we know it today. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to create links that connect pages, websites, and even email addresses. An HTML link allows users to move from one web page to another. When someone clicks a link, the browser navigates to a new location. Links can take users to another website, to another page on the same website, or to an email application. This is why links are one of the most important elements in HTML. In HTML, links are created using the anchor tag, written as a between less than and greater than symbols. The anchor tag has two main parts: the href attribute, which defines the destination, and the anchor text, which is the clickable text. Everything between the opening and closing anchor tag becomes clickable. The href attribute stands for hypertext reference. It tells the browser where the link should go. Without the href attribute, the link will not work. So always remember, no href, no navigation. External links take users to other websites. These links usually start with HTTPS. When clicked, the browser opens a completely different website. External links are commonly used for references, resources, and recommended websites. Internal links connect pages inside your own website. For example, linking from index.html to about.html. Internal links help users move easily between pages and improve website navigation. Always make sure your file names and paths are correct to avoid broken links. HTML also allows us to create email links. By using mail to colon in the href attribute, clicking the link opens the user's email application automatically. This is very useful for contact pages and support links. By default, links open in the same tab. To open a link in a new tab, we use the target attribute and underscore with blank. This is useful when linking to external websites so users don't leave your page. Many beginners make simple mistakes with links. Some common mistakes include forgetting the href attribute, using wrong file paths, misspelling file names. These mistakes cause links to break, so always double-check your code. Now it's time to practice. Create an HTML file and add one external link, one internal link, one email link. Practice is the best way to understand how links work. Today you learned what HTML links are, how the anchor tag works, the role of the href attribute, types of links, and how to open links in new tabs. Great progress. Thank you for watching HTML Day 7. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe to NextGen ICT, and comment below. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.